Hello, I'm Hanna Jabbour, Technical Marketing Engineer, leader, part of TNR. In this video, we're going to look at Cisco XDR and Crowdstrike integration, and we're going to specifically look at how to integrate and so how to actually apply this integration inside the environment and configure it. It's quite simple, few steps. I'm going to look at administration integrations. Then simply you could search here for Crowd and click enter. This is the Crowdstrike integration. Once you click on it, you could find out what is this integration all about. You can read the description over here. You could understand that this integration, it's query security detections, observable including network, email, host, and others. And you could also do actions like adding information to the block lists such as hashes, IPs, and domains. You could actually look at what is needed, mainly the base API URL, which is the default, usually HTTPS API, depending on your location, crowdstrike.com, client ID, the client secret, the entity limit. Of course, you could look at the integration guide. This is where you could see what is it actually required to get that configured. So what is the actual scope for your API client. You could follow these instructions to have it. Also from how to complete the integration from the XDR side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Crowdstrike, click on this, and find the exact section which is under support and resources, API client keys. This is where I will generate, first I could take the base URL, which is that it is. I'm going to take that one and paste it right here into the base URL. So that's basically what it is. The client ID, client secrets. I can gonna once I generate this API, I'm gonna name it Hanna Jabbour Explore Corp, and then I'm gonna create a different information based on that. I could specify the read, write, as mentioned in here. I'm gonna start doing that. Alert to the custom IOR rules, detection, so it's read and write for others. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow these instructions over here. While doing that, I'm gonna pause the recording in order to make sure when I'm finished, I'm gonna continue that. So now I've followed all these read and write access. I'm gonna create these API clients. Then I'm gonna copy the client ID. So that's the base URL displayed again, and paste it over here. I'm gonna also copy the secret in here, and then I'm gonna paste it. And the limits, I can restrict how many. I'm gonna say 100 just to make the maximum limit. That's the whole thing. I'm gonna add. That was the whole Crowdstrike. Sorry, I'm gonna name it different thing because the integration module has the same name. I'm gonna say I add my name in there. I'm gonna click add, and the integration should be done. So you can see it is running health check. The integration module has no issues, and now it's actually done. That was very simple. Any point in time you wanna remove that integration, you should look at my integrations. I could search for, that's the integration I've just added. It's completed. And here I could just go in here, look at this integration, and just click delete, it's gone. So that was quite simple to do all this integration in a few seconds. Hopefully you've seen how simple it is. Thank you for listening to this video, and hopefully you enjoyed it.